Today, information technology is rightly the driving force behind every enterprise and an instrument for change in a fast-paced corporate world. But did you know that the way software is being developed and deployed is itself seeing a rapid change? Conventional software delivery methodology has multiple issues like collaboration, communication between multiple teams, which results in long cycles of software development, testing and releasing. Well, DevOps is the solution to all these issues, which enables rapid, frequent, and more reliable software delivery. Welcome to the world of DevOps and its immense possibilities. The global DevOps platform market is set to witness an exponential growth of 19.42% compound annual growth rate between 2016 and 2020. A DevOps engineer can earn an average salary of $90,000 per annum. There is a huge demand of over 800,000 professionals who are skilled in DevOps. Companies deploying DevOps. Intellipaat offers the most comprehensive and industry-led DevOps training course. Upon completion of the training, you will be able to successfully integrate IT development and IT operations. You will master the skills needed for managing, collaborating and automating key processes by deploying agile development, IT automation, containers, workflow and infrastructure management. Anybody can get trained in DevOps regardless of prior skills. This is an incredible opportunity to fast-track your career and command big salaries. Intellipaat DevOps training course consists of 30 hours of e-learning videos, 60 hours of real-time industry-oriented project work and assignments, real-life projects equivalent to 6 months of industry experience, simulation quiz at the end of course. We have exclusive tie-ups with over 80 corporate giants to help with job assistance in India, UK and US. Intellipaat courses comes with 24/7 support, lifetime access, lifetime free upgrade to latest version, job assistance, industry-oriented real-life projects, trainers with 18 years plus experience. Now all you got to do is pick up that phone and call us, or alternately shoot us a swift email and find your career soar to the skies in no time.